Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my creative space. If you're looking for a moment of peace today, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we are going to recreate a true masterpiece, Henri Matisse's The Dance. Let's open this fresh box of oil pastels. Look at that gorgeous color palette. Just seeing them all lined up gets me so inspired. Let's place them right here and get started. We're starting with the background. I'm taking a medium blue to lay down our base for the sky. The texture of oil pastels is so creamy and satisfying. Now, to make it seamless, I'm taking a piece of tissue paper and gently blending the pigment into the paper. Trust the process here. This is where the magic happens. Moving down to the earth, I'm using a vibrant light green for the grassy hill our dancers are on. Just like the sky, I'm blending it out with a tissue to get that soft, dreamy look. To give the sky some depth and movement, I'm going in with a lighter blue for the brighter areas and a touch of dark blue for some rich contrast. Just blend, breathe, and relax. To make the ground look more natural, I'm adding strokes of dark green and a bit of ochre yellow. It gives the grass texture and warmth. Now, let's bring our dancers to life. For their hair, I'm using a warm mix of brown and orange. For the bodies, Matisse used a striking, bold color. I'm laying down a rich orange. Notice how the color just glides over the paper. Once the bodies are filled in, I blend them out carefully. To give the figures a sense of volume and life, I'm taking a bright yellow and adding highlights to the areas where the light naturally hits their bodies. It instantly makes them pop off the page. We are almost done, but there's one final crucial step. To really emphasize the movement and separate the dancers from that bold background, I'm taking a dark brown pastel and tracing the outlines of the figures. This strong outline is very characteristic of Matisse's style. It anchors the whole piece together. And there we have it, our very own version of the dance. I hope watching this process brought you as much peace and relaxation as drawing it brought me. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which masterpiece we should recreate next. See you in the next one.